Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Valentina. My channel is all about lifestyle and beauty and skincare. Today's video is gonna be about my nighttime skincare routine. But before we start, please consider subscribing to this channel. I'm gonna pull my hair back and let's crack on. First thing first, I do clean my skin. To clean my skin, I'm using the LumiSpa. If you watch my morning skincare routine, you did see me using this one. I am a brand affiliate with Nu Skin. It's not a sponsored video, so Nu Skin is not paying me to talk about their product. I'm a brand affiliate. It means that every product that I do sell, I get a commission. That is all. You need damp skin. The LumiSpa, I've been using it for almost 3 months, and this is my ride or die. This is coming with me everywhere I'm going. When you purchase the LumiSpa, you get your detergent specific to your skin type. Your skin is always changing. So for example, I do have a few breakouts at the moment, especially in this area. I'm not sure if it's because I started to use the retinol, if it was just a hormonal breakout. I'm using this specific detergent. So when I purchased the LumiSpa, I got the detergent for normal to combo skin, because that's the kind of skin that I have. But now, because of this blemish situation, I actually got the detergent for blemish prone skin, and this one has glycolic and salicylic acid inside, so you have your AHAs and BHAs inside. This is a very good cleanser. An amazing thing about the Nu Skin products is that they don't have any fragrance. It's not that I'm against fragrance in skincare products, but you don't need much. So honestly, this tube is gonna last me like 2 months. And then you just switch it on and you apply it on the skin. So the sound that it just did is because I was pushing too hard on the skin. So you don't have to push, you don't have to be harsh. And you know, sometimes I do tend to be harsh on my skin. You use it 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the evening. You can take off makeup with this device. Now today I don't have any makeup on because it's too hot. I do go on my lips as well. And since I've been doing the LumiSpa on my lips as well, I haven't been doing a lip scrub. While it's cleansing your skin, it's a deep cleanse that you're doing when you're using the LumiSpa, but it's not just about cleaning your skin, it's massaging your skin, it's encouraging the cell turnover. And after you're doing your LumiSpa, you have plumper skin, you have muscles in your face, so they need to be massaged, they need to exercise in a way. And when you're done with your LumiSpa, you just take off the tip, rinse it under the water, and you're done. It's super quick to clean as well, super hygienic, because the tip is in silicone. And I do love it because my skin feels so soft after just 2 minutes. Obviously you have to be consistent. I have girls or boys, because it's good for that you're a man or a woman, and for any age. If you're a teenager and you have acne, this is great because it's really gonna go and clean your skin properly. You don't want clogged pores, especially if you have acne. Otherwise nothing gets in and you just have crack coming out. This is such a great tool, and I wouldn't be here telling you guys to like go and invest your money in something like that, you know, because this is like one tool that has so many benefits. I'm just gonna list them here. I'm gonna tone my skin. I know that I said that I'm not really into toners because I don't see a massive difference, but I really got into Korean skincare and I wanted to like try a few products from the Korean skincare, and I read that in Korea toners and essences are like it's like the base of their skin. I decided to go with a toner as well, and I've got this Pyunkang U. And this is the essence toner. I'm gonna do 2 layers of this one. This toner has an essence inside as well. I've got 2 layers of the toner. Now I'm gonna go with the essence. So apparently in the Korean tradition, you apply just to like a pump and a half, because it's very liquidy. I'll just pat it around the face Apparently in the Korean tradition, you're supposed to do like 7 layers. It didn't say. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Hydra Power Essence by CosRX. So serums. My evening serums, I use the ordinary serums. So I've got the niacinamide with 10% with zinc 1%, and I've got the retinol 0.5 in squalane. I guess because I read that the retinol can irritate your skin, I think that it's the retinol that gave me all this. But I don't want to stop the retinol altogether. So I was using it 3 times a week, because I was like 0.5 doesn't sound as a very high concentration, but apparently it was too much for my skin. So I didn't want to stop it completely, because I know that retinol can be awesome for your skin. I think I'm gonna give it another 2 weeks. I want to see how my skin is gonna be in like within a month. So I decided to keep going, but I got into using it just once a week. I'm not gonna use it today. I just wanted to show you it's not the day that I'm using the retinol. So I'm using it just once a week, and I literally use just 5 drops. I remember the first time that I used the retinol, and I was just like, you know, pumping it on my hand, and it was way too much. I had to like go with a tissue and pat my face because it was so oily. I'll go with a little pump of niacinamide, and niacinamide is apparently great for your skin. So I'll go and slap it on my face, and then I'll press it, because it improves inflammation and improves the texture of your skin. And then I have the Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Cream, and this is by CosRX as well. This is a very rich cream. I thought it was more of a gel-like consistency by seeing it from the website, but it's not. It's very rich. So I was using it in the day. I thought it was absorbed, but it wasn't. And basically I was putting my makeup on, because normally, you know, I do apply the creams and then I wait like 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I apply my makeup, because normally that like gap of 20 minutes to half an hour is enough to have your cream getting absorbed into your skin. But then because it's such a rich cream, it was taking like, I think it just leaves that much hydration on the top of my face that I had my foundations moving around. And I tried with like different foundations and I kept having the same problem. And then I clicked, I was like, maybe it's the cream. So I switched the cream, and my foundation was not moving anymore. I'm not using any eye cream. To hydrate my lips, I'm using the Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear Lip Balm. I do like this one. This is actually a lip balm that, like, I think I have 3 hanging around. Like one in my bag, one on my nightstand, and another one in my basket with the skincare. There you go. Sorry about the hair again. It just doesn't want to stay in a decent way. Anyway, this is it, you guys. This is my nighttime skincare routine. I don't think it's particularly elaborate. Maybe just the toner and the essence are not that essential in your skincare routine, but it does leave a nice feeling. And you know, because I study all of these new products, I think that, like, again, my skin is a little bit overwhelmed. I think, like, to see a good result, I still need to leave it a couple of weeks. It's definitely better than how it was even just a few days ago, and definitely what improved my skin is the new cleanser that I got. Today I was not wearing any makeup, so I didn't do a double cleanse. If I do wear makeup, I do like to double cleanse my skin. When I'm doing a double cleanse, this is the oil that I'm using. This is the Origin Clean Energy Gentle Cleansing Oil. Your moisturizer, that's very important. I always use a richer moisturizer in the evening because it has more time to absorb into the skin. Serums, those ones are very important. They're actually more important than your moisturizers, so make sure you actually get a good serum. That is pretty much it. So this is all of my evening skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. That would be very appreciated. Ring the little bell down below so you're gonna be notified every time I do upload a new video once a week. Have an amazing day and I'll see you again very soon. Mwah. Bye.